Okay, this is the parking lot at my job, and we're in the middle of a snowstorm here in Wisconsin. So just gonna give you an idea what it's like getting out the parking lot. This is gonna be fun. We got snow drifts all over the place. So here I go. This is coming out of the building. Make sure I don't hit the little old lady. Who's already got a bad leg, look like. Okay. So this is what it looks like. And it is not over. It's about 3:30 Central Time. And this is what it's like coming out of the parking lot from my job. It's going to be slow going all the way home.